Understanding Microscope Slides, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, microscope slides. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about English vocabulary, this video will help you understand what microscope slides are and how the term is used. So, let's dive in. To understand the phrase microscope slides, we need to look at each word separately. A microscope is a scientific instrument used for viewing objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. A slide, in this context, is a thin piece of glass where tiny objects are placed for examination under the microscope. Therefore, microscope slides are glass slides used specifically for viewing samples under a microscope. Microscope slides play a crucial role in scientific research and education. They allow scientists and students to observe and study microscopic organisms and structures, such as cells, bacteria, and small insects. This is essential for medical research, biology studies, and many other scientific fields. Understanding the significance of microscope slides helps us appreciate their role in scientific advancements. While microscope slides is a term more commonly used in scientific contexts, it can sometimes appear in everyday English. For example, a science teacher might ask students to prepare microscope slides for a class project, or a documentary might mention microscope slides while discussing scientific discoveries. Recognizing this phrase can help English learners better understand conversations or texts related to science. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase microscope slides. I hope this video has been informative and has enhanced your understanding of this interesting scientific term. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.